This tutorial is all about spell check text animation effect in After Effects, and we are not going to use any third-party plugin. So let's start it, guys. First of all, I'm going to create one new composition over here, and I'm going to choose my composition size HDTV 108025, and frame rate I'm going to change the 30. That's okay, and I'm giving the name as a main, and let's make it okay again. So that's done. Now let's select our text tool first, and then I'm going to type my word over here. This is okay. So now I'm going to choose the font style for this. Here it is square type B font I'm going to choose. So this is my word. Now first of all, I want to animate this word using one inbuilt preset in Adobe After Effects. So let's jump into the effect and preset panel, and let's type over here typewriter. Okay, so here it is a typewriter effect. Let's preset, let's apply on our text layer. Let's select the layer and place you, so you can see that we have a such kind of amazing effect over here. So that's a good thing for us. I am going to limit it almost at present like a 2 second. Later on, if I need, I will going to change that. Now what I want to do, I want to create one amazing spell check text animation. So for that, what I am going to do, exactly when it's going to be a full character is revealed. So first I'm going to just jump into the 1 second over here. Just going to select these keys and jump into the graph editor. So we are into the edit value graph over here, not a speed graph. So if you are in speed graph and your graph is not showing like this one, just select the edit value graph from over here. Now what I will do, this frame I need again the same keyframe. So I am going to select this one, Control C, and where my cursor is there, paste Control V. Jump again over here, something like almost like a 20 frames or 1 2 3 4 5 frames ahead. I'm going to jump over here, and let's select again Control C and Control V over here. Now what I will do, I'm just going to select this, press Alt and drag this over here, something like this. Okay, that's going to be good. And then again I'm going to choose this one little bit, something like that, and let's take it little bit above. Okay, almost something like this. So that is going to be good enough. Okay, so now what is going to be happen, let's see that what kind of animation we still have generated. So now you can see that it's going good, and then what it will come back and start typing again, right? It's going back and start typing again. So for that, what we need, we have to now first of all create a wrong spelling over here. So for that, what we are going to do, I am just going to jump over here, and you can see that at here, almost at here, it's type a right word, full word. So here what I will do, I am just going to open my source text from over here and give the key on that source text, and here I am going to change my word. So let's select that, and I am going to type again over here, just change the word over here. I type C, uh, replacing by H, and now what I will do is going to be come back from something over here. So it's going back over here, right? It's gone. Now here I'm going to give the key again, and now I will recorrect my spelling. So what I will do, just type SPELLCHECK. So it's done now, right? So now let's play this animation and what it show. Let's see that. Yes, so that's you've seen. Now what I need, I want to create an error effect which shows me. So let's place the U over here, and where it is comes, so it's showing something like over here. It start okay, and it's completing almost on this frame. So what I will do, I'm just going to create, select my pen tool, and I'm going to, let's deselect our text layer, and drawing a little bit path over there, and which has a red shade. So now let's jump into this layer, content, shape. First of all, jump into the stroke, and I'm going to change into the round cap. So it's done. Now what I will do, now for this one, I'm just going to jump into the add, and let's make it a zigzag. Here it is, yes, it is a zigzag over here. And now let me change the zigzag. It is sharp corner. I want to change it to smoothness. So let's apply the smoothness on that one. So this is the same kind of effect. Whenever you type into the Excel or Google Word, it will show some kind of red line below that or a blue line below that. So I have just created, and I am going to trim this layer almost from over here. So let's select this layer and trim from over here. Now let's jump something almost, and when it's going to be back. So when it started to back over here, now let's make it trim again from over here. So this is our effect is generated, guys. This is a spell check text animation effect in Adobe After Effects, and now you can understand it is really amazing easy, but we have used the smart way, a graph editor, which is our value graph editor. No doubt you can create the keys and you can go like that, but when you use the graph in a specific way, it will give you a really amazing effect, which is the realistic effect when you do typing something like this. So I hope you like this idea. Give the hit on like button, share button, subscribe button, and also comment how much you like this tutorial, and also click onto the bell icon so you will get the notification about the upcoming tutorials.